Here is one of the platform developer one question. Here the question is, how can a developer refer or instantiate the page reference? So page reference is a class that is used to navigate to different pages. Okay. There are four options provided. One is by using page reference with a full or partial URL. Second one is by using page object and a visual force page name. Third option is by using apex pages dot page method. Fourth one is page reference dot page method. Okay, so these two are not available in Salesforce. Apex pages dot page and page reference dot page method. These two methods are invalid. So with this, we know that these two are the right options. Okay, let me demonstrate this, and then I will walk you through the code. See, the first button is full page reference. Let me click on this. I have given Google path, so it should take me to Google. Second one is partial page reference. This one I have given one of the pages in say that is in the same instance, that is in the same R, so it should take me to that. Okay, so this is partial, and the difference is full and partial. In partial page reference, the page should exist in the same instance. If the page exists in different instance, then this option is invalid. You should use only full page reference. And third one is visual force page name. So there is one more option. I'll show you that. This is the other way to navigate to a different page. And the other option is account view page. I'll show you this. Thus I'm taking the page to a different URL. Okay, you have seen all these options. I'll show you the code for each. Okay, here I showed you the first one is full URL, right? So you have to give the entire URL. Okay, and for partial, you can give only part of the URL. Okay, so in which situation you should use what? That is, if the data exists in your same organization, then you can either use full page or partial page, because partial page is enough. You don't need to give the entire path. You just give the path of the page where you wanted to navigate. So this makes your work a little easier. But if your page exists in a different org, then you have to provide the entire URL of that particular data. So in that case, you should give that is both page reference. Okay, this they will call it as full page full URL, and this is called partial URL. So that one was option A. And option B was you, instead of using page reference and redirect taking your page, you can also use page object. Sorry about that. You can use page object, and you can refer any page here. So this is another way of navigating into a visual force page. So these are the two options. Option A and B are valid. Whereas option C and D, by using apex pages dot page method. So this is not valid because there is no such method available in apex pages class. Even this one, page method, there is no such method available in page reference. So you cannot use these two options. So the only two valid options are you can use partial and full page reference, and by using VF page name with the page object. These are the two valid options. Just for understanding purpose, what I have done is, in apex pages you don't have page method, whereas you have current page. You can get the current page reference, and you can post back the data to the same page. Okay, otherwise from URL you can get the ID. So this apex pages is used to get the ID from the URL, and then you can pass that ID to an page reference and then navigate it to that particular page. There's one more option in Apex Pages where you can view, in case if you wanted to, switch between edit and view, and you can use this option. So this is another way. Okay, so this is what it does. I'll show you in VF page once again how this looks. So full page, it will take us to Google. That's what the URL I provided. Partial page, it should take us to one of the pages available in the same instance. Okay, and then third one is Visualforce page name. This is by using VF page name attaching to the, this I'll show you in the code. So I'm talking about this, the third option. So you can navigate by using page and Visualforce page name. The fourth one was switching between edit and view. You can click on. You can use that standard controller. Okay, that option. That's the fourth one. Okay. So the answer for this question is by using page reference with a partial or full, by using page object and a Visualforce page name. Thank you. Thanks for watching.